Good evening, setters. I am looking at the stock planning next week. I actually not going to trade the forex market because I just don't like the setup. So I'm really going to focus on the stock market. So let's start off with SPY. Let's see what is happening with SPY. Okay, so you can see we're looking at the daily chart. It's very important that I look at the daily chart. First two things. You know I like the accumulation distribution line pointing upward, so more buying. Advanced decline line here, tracking the 500 stock inside S&P 500, also pointing upward, healthy. Price action wise is we got to be attention now, pay attention to this. 460 is a resistant area. So what's the play? We need this to clear first. And then I will look to be a buyer. I could be, when it breaks, not like that, breaks first, I might just use a smaller time frame to get in. And then when take some profit, and then when it retraces middle of December, I'll take the move again, the next daily higher low. So we shall see about that, but I'm looking to be a buyer on the S&P 500. QQQ, Nasdaq is healthier because we don't have any traffic actually on the support area 386. So let's have a look at Nasdaq. Was my play. Drop down to 4 hour. What I like to do is this. Break this area, retest, and now go long. So that's the play on Nasdaq. Break the 4 hour trend and retest to go long on Nasdaq. The other two that I really like is actually from Hang Seng Hong Kong market, but you can see on the daily chart we're actually at the bottom of the channel. If you go to a weekly, although we do have a downtrend, but it is getting weaker, isn't it? When you see it's not dropping like that, it's kind of sideways dropping. Okay, accumulation distribution is it's distributing but not very aggressively, which is fairly healthy. If you go to daily, you can see we have a low test bar at the bottom of the channel. So, what's the play in here? I'm actually not going to buy Hang Seng because it's too weak. I am actually going to look for the strongest stock in the Hang Seng index, which the first one of them is Tencent 700. If you see, look at the weekly, it is not dropping as much. So as you can see, Tencent is, although in a downtrend, but it's really a corrective sort of downtrend. So this was strong. Now people are distributing, taking some profit. Now, if you go down to a daily, you'll see that's a pattern that I really like. The head and shoulder. Shoulder, head, shoulder. All I need is this to break above 330, come back for a retest, I'll take it long from here. So that's my main focus on next week. One last one is, but still need a little bit of work, is the BYD. You can see we do have holding on to this weekly uptrend. So I'm looking at a 195, 193 area right here. Good price action to buy. So that's my main focus. I don't need so many trades. I just need one good trade next week, then I'm done for the week. But I'm thinking maybe one or two. So the BYD, Tencent will come a bit later. S&P, Nasdaq probably come Tuesday, something like that. That's my plan to go long. Do you have any question? Drop me a comment. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching.